Hi thinkers, welcome to ThinkX Academy. I've already created a machine learning roadmap video where I've discussed how you should get started with machine learning, and in that video I got a very good response from you guys. You have supported me a lot and you have also asked a lot of doubts related to machine learning. I'm going to cover all of these topics in this video. So this video is going to be really valuable for all of you guys who are serious about getting a career path in machine learning. And this video we will also share some of the important questions like how much mathematics is required for machine learning and some of the study tips and free resources also. So basically I've created a lot of projects in machine learning in my post graduation also, and I've participated in some hackathons also, and I was also selected and I have got some very important useful certificates. So I think I will be able to deliver some of the very valuable tips to you guys, right? So before getting started, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. It motivates me a lot to create these types of videos. So let's get started. The first thing is the study tips, right? So first of all, I have created a machine learning roadmap, and corresponding to that machine learning roadmap, I have created a machine learning course which is available on YouTube for absolutely free, and it is a very good content that I have created. I have put a lot of hard work in that particular course. So it starts from the basics, and I think I have taught each and every concept in detail in very precise manner and also very concise. So it's not a course which has a overwhelming amount of videos. No, it has very specific amount of videos that are really very helpful for all of you guys who want to get a foundation level in machine learning, right? So that's the first study tip. In that course you will have to follow that course. It is corresponding to the roadmap, so it is in the right order from where you should start. First of all, you will have to go through each and every video, and in that video you will have to make sure that you make notes, right? Making notes is very important, and make sure that these notes contain all the important stuff like the formulas that we will use and all the graph things and something that you want to explain, so that in the future when you want to understand a particular concept you can just go to the notes and you will be able to understand that, right? So making notes is crucial in machine learning. Now let's that the free resources, the link are already in the description, and you can even go to our channel playlist and you can go to the machine learning playlist. There are some more awesome content on this channel, you can also see that too, right? Now let's move on to the next thing, which is mathematics. How much mathematics you should know to get started with machine learning, right? So I think that the basic things that you should know is first of all probability. In probability you should not know, I do not expect you to know a lot complex stuff. Even if you know basics of probability, it will be enough. But even if you don't know probability, in this course which I have created, I have completed all the essential mathematics requirement also, right? So before actually teaching a machine learning concept video, I've created a mathematics part of that too, which involves probability and all the other stuff also, which you can already take a look at. And I've already told you the course is well designed. So even if you do not have that much of mathematics knowledge, everything will be covered, right? The second thing in mathematics you should know is differentiation, right? Basic differentiation, you should know how to differentiate, and basic integration also, right? You should know basic differentiation, integration, then equation of line, and very simple elementary school stuff, right? Not so much hard stuff you should know. Even if you know basics, if you have a basic idea of what these are, what is the slope of a line, how to do the differentiation. In probability we have concepts like what is the conditional probability. I've also covered that in the course also. So if you have a basic idea, you are really good to go with the course. That will help you a lot. Now let's move on to the mistakes. When you are getting started with machine learning, it's important that you understand the basic things first, right? There are various machine learning models, like let's consider the first machine learning model of our course, which is the linear regression, right? That's the basic linear regression in supervised or unsupervised classification. But let's assume that this is the first machine learning model that you are going to study inside of this course. At the very beginning of this course, you will study linear regression. In this particular type, you are actually going to, you will get familiar with some formulas and some important stuff which is related to machine learning model, which is linear regression. Now a lot of people will argue that if I know Python, if I just know how to implement linear regression, why do I need to remember formulas and go in depth in a certain machine learning model? The answer is that when you are going to use these models in your profession, you will be given some data. If that data and you will not be given what machine learning model to choose, right? There are so many machine learning models, you will have no idea which machine learning model should you choose. And if you're given a particular data, right, that data will also be not processed data. So you will have to understand how to process that data using normalization, feature scaling, and then you will have to decide corresponding to that which machine learning model is useful. If you will not remember the formulas, if you do not have idea of how a particular machine learning model is working behind the scenes, you will not be able to make a decision, which is very important in machine learning. You should know which machine learning model is best for my data set, right? Which will improve the accuracy of predictions and all of that stuff. We know that in machine learning, we are actually finding patterns in the data, making predictions, making classifications, all of that stuff you will learn in the course. So do not miss the important formulas, write them inside of your notes, and make sure that you have a good grasp of the basics. Let's move on to the last part, which is the career opportunities. But before that, there is one more mistake that people make, which is they will go for some fancy projects like object detection, face recognition, Twitter sentiment analysis, all of that. I will tell you that if you do not know the basics of machine learning, do not get started with those models, with those projects. By just copying the code and just running on Python, you will get absolutely no knowledge about machine learning, and those will be just a waste of time. You should have a very good and precise approach on how you should lay the foundation or the base of machine learning. Alright, so talking about career opportunities, we all know that machine learning has a wide variety of applications. Careers are, so many careers are there in machine learning. Big MNCs like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, they all are hiring machine learning experts. But the thing is, how do you get in those companies? How do you get placed? And what are the things and strategies you should do while you are searching for a career in machine learning? First of all, there are various ways to do that. The first is you can participate in hackathons where you will get the certificates related to machine learning. Second, there are some certification programs by Amazon, AWS. There is a machine learning program. You can even go through that program. You can prepare for it. That will give you a very valuable certificate. And if you want to apply to Amazon, you will be able to get a very good career in there. If you want a career opportunity in Microsoft, you can go for Azure services and understand how you can deploy the machine learning models to the cloud. So cloud and machine learning is a very good combination if you know how to use it. Career is something which is you will get definitely in this way. So basically that's all for this tutorial. If you still have any doubts related to this video, you can still ask me in the comments. I'm very eager to help you, and make sure to support us by sharing this video with your friends. And basically that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Peace out.